biggest drag on the markets this morning is Larsen and Toubro. It's actually responsible for about 30% of Nifty's losses this morning. And I mean, the results were decent, but I think the primary source of disappointment for the street was the miss in the margin guidance. What's your assessment of L&T's results and what's going on with the stock?
Well, RBI has come out with new guidelines on infrastructure projects, and probably that has affected the analysts' guidance on the stock. As far as the results are concerned, they have beaten expectations. Net revenues have grown 15%. Analysts were expecting them to grow around 12%. Net profits have gone up year on year 10.3%. Analysts were expecting little over 9% growth in net profits. Their inflows have gone up to 3 lakh crores. Order book stands at 4.75 lakh crores. They have successfully completed the buyback of equity shares, bolstering shareholder confidence. So all the boxes are ticked in the positive. The reduction in the guidance is probably the primary reason why the stock in the last 1 month and the last 5 days and even today is not really doing well.
All right, and Santosh, what's your take on Bank of Baroda, on actually L&T over here? Because this numbers, I mean, they are ahead of expectations, but we are seeing some bit of a disappointment. I think, again, the source of disappointment for the street comes from the management guidance for FY25. What's your take on the stock? Because this was one stock, I think, a lot of people were betting on L&T to, drive that infra push in the country. What's your call here?
Yes, recently this stock was in a strong bullish momentum, but in last few days we have seen a decent correction in this counter. So this correction is a good buying opportunity because I believe this 3300 to 3250 area will provide a strong support zone, and we are seeing recovery from the lower levels. So this area can act as a strong support zone, and investors can latch on this opportunity. So I think you should buy at current level. If it manages to hold this zone, we can see recovery towards 3700 level. So this correction should be taken as a buying opportunity.